Hello guys, welcome to the Balotti online classes. Guys, today we are going to solve some of the algebra questions and we will solve those by the trick. Okay, so I have explained those tricks like in my previous videos. So if you haven't gone through those, you can just watch those videos. Okay, but I will just explain those here as well, like briefly. So you can, if you haven't watched those videos, then also it's not a problem. So let's see like what are those tricks. Without wasting any time, let's start. Okay, so first one is like x minus 1 upon x is given, then you'll be asked like these values, either square, either cube, or x raised to the power 4 or x raised to the power 5. Okay, so how you can keep those, remember, okay, if this is given, then if you are asked for this one, so how you can face that value. So for the square, you keep in mind, for the square you just have to do n square plus or minus 2. Okay, so I will tell you what that plus or minus is. Okay, so if here minus is given, then put the plus, and if my plus is given, then put minus. Okay, so in this case, in the first formula, what is given? Minus is given, right? So our formula will be n square plus 2. Okay, and see the same thing here as well. In case of plus is given, and so the formula will be n square minus 2 for square. And in the same way, for the cube, the formula will be a different one, and if x minus 1 upon x is given, then formula for the cube will be n raised to the power 3 plus 3n. Okay, but for formula of minus, plus, if plus is given, then it will become n raised to the power 3 minus 3n. Okay, so if plus is given, we will just put the minus, and for 3 you have to keep in mind like n raised to the power 3 minus 3n. Okay, so n raised to the power 3 minus 3n is for plus, and n raised to the power 3 plus 3n for minus. Okay, so for minus we are putting plus, and for plus we are putting in the minus in the formula. Okay, and then if you remember these two formula, then it's easy to remember these two as well, and these two and these two, like these four formula we can just derive from the top one. Okay, or from the previous ones which we have already learned. So let's see about this one, x raised to the power 4. If power 4 is asked, so how we can make the power 4? Like we can use this square formula and we can make the power 4. So n square plus 2 is the square formula, right? And we will do the square of this one and then minus 2. Okay, so x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 formula will become like n square plus 2 the whole square minus 2. Okay, so we can easily build that formula using this formula. Okay, then in the same way for plus, how we can build, like we can use this formula, we can do a whole square of this one and then minus 2. So it was very easy for square as well. Okay, for plus scenario as well. And then for 5, like x raised to the, x minus 1 upon x is given, and this is also x raised to the power 5 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 5. So how we will do it? To make the power 5, we will use 3 and 2. Okay, you can use in any order, like 3 and 2. So what was the 3 formula? For 3 it was x raised to the n raised to the power 3 plus 3n, and for 2 it was n raised to the power 2 plus 2, and then we'll do minus n. Okay, in 5 and 7 we do that minus n. Okay, so keep that in mind. So we use the 3's formula and then 2's formula. Keep this in mind, if we are doing this minus, no, so we have to use this formula only, don't use this one. Okay, don't use this one. So that thing you have to keep in mind, and then you just need to do the minus n. Okay guys, so hope this is clear to you. Let's start for the questions, and we will quickly complete these 10 questions in next 5 to 10 minutes maximum. Okay, so here what is given? X raised to the power 2 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 2 is given, and this is asked. Okay, x plus 1 upon x. So we know the formula. If this is given equal to n, then we know the formula for square, right? What is the formula? Formula is given here, right? So n square minus 2. So here in the question, actually n square minus 2 is given as 34. So what will be value of n? That is actually asked, okay, in the question. So how we will solve it? So n square equal to, like if we will take 2 on the right hand side, so it will become plus 2, so 34 plus 2, okay, and it will become 36. So n equal to, if we will take under root of this 36, it will come plus or minus 6. So value of this x plus 1 upon x will be plus 6 or minus 6. There can be two values of this one. Okay, so hope you understand this one. Let's start next question. So in the next question, what is given? X square plus 1 upon x square is given like 27, and it is asked like x minus 1 upon x is asked. Okay, so here minus is given. Guys, keep it in mind, minus is given. So what we will do, how we will put the formula? Formula will be plus, right? And for square, here square is given, so we will use that square formula. N square, plus will come or minus will come? If minus is given, plus will come. Here minus is given, right? So plus will be used, equal to 27. Okay, so this is actually given, and value of n is asked. If we in our formula, like this was equal to n, na? So n is asked. So how we will fetch that? N will become 27, sorry, n square will become 27 minus 2. We can take this 2 on the right hand side and it will become minus. So n will become root of 25, and that will come again plus or minus 5. So value of x minus 1 upon 6, x minus 1 upon x will become either plus 5 or minus 5. Okay, so this is our second question. Let's move to the next one. Here x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 is given, and x minus 1 upon x is asked. Okay, so how we will? Again, minus is given, minus is asked, right? So we know the formula for minus, what it will be. So what was the formula for square? N square plus 2, because minus is given. This was the formula for square. And in case of 4, what we will do? We will do the square of this one, and then we'll reduce 2, or minus 2, and equal to given 34. Okay, so now we will solve it, and we will just like move these 2 on the right hand side, and it will become plus. So n square plus 2 raised to the power 2 will become 36, right? So if you will take under root on both the sides, what it will become? N square plus 2 equal to plus or minus 6, right? So here see, and again this 2 will go on this right hand side, so what it will become? Like minus 2. So if we will consider minus, then it will become minus 8, and if we will consider plus, then it will become plus 4, right? Because 6 minus 2 equal to plus 4. So n square equal to these two values. Okay, n square equal to these two values. So this is not possible, because this will become the imaginary. Okay, a square value cannot be negative. So n square will be 4. And now what will be value of n? N square equal to 4. So n will become plus or minus 2. Sorry, plus or minus 2. So our answer will be plus 2 or minus 2. Okay, next let's move to the next question. And this is kind of like tricky question, and we will use some logic here. So what is that? Like x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 is given as 527, and asked is like x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So what we will do? First we will fetch x plus 1 upon x, and then we will get this one. Okay, so what is the formula for 4 power 4 in case of plus? So that formula was if x plus 1 upon x equal to n is given, then x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 formula was, it was like n square minus 2, right? Square formula, and then do a whole square of this one and minus 2. This was the formula for 4. So this is actually given us equal to 527. Okay, so guys, this kind of questions are being asked like in many competitive exams as well. So you can like solve in this way. So here, if we will like bring this 2 on the right hand side, so it will become 529. So n square minus 2 raised to the power whole square will become 529. And if you will take under root again, so it will become n square minus 2 will become root of 529, and that is 23, right? Yes, that is 23. And plus minus 23, again if we will consider it minus, it won't come because n square is cannot be negative, so it will be only positive. And then we will move this 2 on the right hand side, so n square will become 25. And again if we will take root, then n will become plus or minus 5. Okay, so this is like n, and this is not the answer, guys, right? Because this is n's value. Okay, so n is over x plus 1 upon x. So we, till this point, we just got like x plus 1 upon x will be plus or minus 5. But what we have to find, we have to find x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So how we will get that? So next, see, x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Okay, x cube plus 1 upon x cube. What will be the formula for this one? You know, right? Because it will be n raised to the power 3, or minus or plus. It will be minus 3n, right? So let's put that plus 5 first. Okay, and then we will put this minus 5. So plus 5. If you will put plus 5, it will become 125. 5 raised to the power 3 minus 15. So it will become 110. Okay, so one answer is 110. And if you will put minus 5, then what it will become? So minus 5 raised to the power 3 minus 3 n raised to n means 5, right? So it will become again 125 negative, and this will become positive, and 15, and answer will be like minus 110. So in this case, you have two answers, either plus positive plus 110 or minus 110. Okay, guys, so it was kind of like lengthy question, but hope you got this question. And now we will move to the next one. So in the next question, x square plus 1 upon x square is given, and then minus is asked, right? So again we will use our trick, right? Because see here what we have to find. So from this one, either this one or x minus 1 upon x, these two value we can get from this, right? So which one we should get? Because we are trying to get the final value in the minus, so we will get this value from this one. Okay, so how we will get that? In case of minus, what is the formula for square? That is n square plus 2, right? And that is given equal to 38. So we will, and n, what is n? N equal to x minus 1 upon x. Okay, so that is our n. And so what will be the n square? N square will become like, if you will take 2 on the right hand side, it will become like 36. Okay, so n square equal to 36, and n will become plus or minus 6, right? So our x minus 1 upon x value is plus 6 or minus 6. Now we have to find the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube. So what was the formula for cube? So in case of minus, so that was n raised to the power 3 minus, sorry, plus 3n, right? Because we have minus here, so here it will become plus, okay, in the formula. So, and we have n raised to the n's value as plus 6 or minus 6. So first we will put plus 6. So 6 raised to the power 3 plus 3 into 6. So 18, and this will become 36 into 6, 216 plus 18. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 234 will become your one answer, and another answer will become 200. Let's put minus 6, so it will become like minus 216, and then minus 18, so it will become minus 234. So here are your two answers. Okay, so either like both will be right in your either both will be given in your questions, or like one will be given. Next, let's move to the next one. And next one we will use a trick, or we will use the options to solve this one, else it will become lengthy. Okay, so we can use without option as well, but we can use the options, it will become easy for us. Okay, so how we will do it? So here we have to like find out x plus 1 upon x. So in case of plus, what is the formula of cube? that is n cube, and minus or plus, it will be minus, because plus is given, right? So it will become minus n raised to the power 3 minus 3n, and equal to, that is given as 52. So let's put the value of n from this one, like 1 raised to the power 3 minus 3, it will not become 52. And in similar way, 2 will also like not resolve, and 3 will also not like solve this one. And if you will put 4 at place of n, it will become 4 raised to the power 3, that is like 64, and minus 4 into 3, that 12, it will become 52. So your both sides are like matching in this case, in case of 4. So value of x plus 1 by x will be 4. So your right answer will be D. Okay, hope you got it. Let's move to the next one, that is x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to 14, then x minus 1 upon x. Okay, so in this case our cube is given, right? And here minus is given, so we know the formula for cube. So what it will be, the formula will be n cube minus or plus, it will become plus, because minus is given. So n cube plus 3n equal to given 14. Okay, let's see which will be the right answer for this one. So if we will put 1, it will become just 4. If we will put 2 raised to the power 3, it will become 8 plus 6, so it will become 14, right? So the right answer is 2. Okay, so in this case by mistake I put like both the options as 2. So right answer will be 2. Okay, next one, here x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 equal to 34. Okay, and then minus. So let's see what will be value of x minus 1 upon x. You know the formula for 4, right? In case of minus, so that will be n square plus 2, because minus is given, and then this is the formula for square, and then we will do a square and then minus 2, right? This is the formula for 4, and then equal to 44 is given, and we have to find the square of this one, right? So we have to find kind of like n square in this case, because this is n and then square of this one. So we have to find out square. So this is given as 34, and we will just take this 2 on the right hand side. So n square plus 2 raised to the power 2 will become 36. Okay, and then n square minus 2, we will take the under root of this one on both the sides. So it will become n square plus 2 equal to 6, plus or minus 6. Again, it can't be like it cannot be plus minus 6, because else n square should be negative. Okay, so it will just be plus 6 in this case. And what we will do, like we will take these 2 on the right hand side, and it will become 4 on the right hand side. So n square will become 4. So this is your answer. We have to find out n square, because here square is asked. Okay, so our answer will be 4. N square equal to 4. Okay, hope it is clear. Let's move to the next question, and that is x plus 1 upon x is given, and then power 5 is asked. Okay, so guys, see here I'm just like trying to cover all the scenarios, and so that you, like any kind of question if you are facing in the exam, you can complete that question, or you can like attempt that question. That's why I'm trying to like cover all kind of scenario here. Okay, so plus is given and power 5 is asked. So you know the formula of square and then cube, and then we'll do the minus n. So what is the, in case of plus, what is the formula for square? That is n square minus 2, right? What is the formula for cube? That is n raised to the power 3 minus 3n. In case of plus, at both places it will be minus. Okay, so that is 3n, and then we are subtracting minus n from that. So n is given as 3. Let's put as 3. So it will become like 3 raised to the power 2, 9 minus 2, and then 3 raised to the power 3, it will become 27 minus 9 and minus 3. Okay, so it will become 7 into 18 minus 3. So 18 into 7 equal to 123 minus 3. Sorry, 126 minus 3, it will become 123. So 123 is your answer in this case. Okay guys, so let's move to the next question, and that is x minus 1 upon x equal to 2. Okay, that is given, and power 5 is asked, so hope you can attempt it. Okay, try to attempt it yourself. So in this case, what will be the formula? Or like in case of minus, what will be the formula is n square plus 2 4 square, and then what is the for cube? N cube plus 3n, and then we'll do minus n. Okay, so that is actually asked. So how we will do it? Let's put the value of value of n. It will be like 2 raised to the power 2, like 4 plus 2 6, and then here also put 2, so 2 raised to the power 3, it will become 8 plus 6 14, right? And minus 2, so it will become like 84, right? Oh sorry guys, I did a mistake here. It's like power 3. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, 8, it's fine, right? And then 3 into 2 6, right? And then minus 2, so it will become 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 into 6, it will become 84 minus 2, so your answer will be 82 in this case. Okay, 82 is your answer. So guys, these are the all questions which we covered today, and hope you enjoyed this video, and tell me like how you feel about this video in the comment, and say don't like forget to subscribe this channel, and share this video with your friends and all. Thanks.